What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are solving question 415, add strings within LeetCode. So essentially this question says or gives us two inputs, num1, num2, both are strings, and we need to add the value of each string to create a final string that we will return. And so basically to do this, we're going to make num1 into an integer, and then we're going to make num2 into an integer, and then we're going to add those two integers together and return it as a string. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first turn num1 and num2 into int. All right. And to do this, we're going to say num1 equals int num1, num1, and then, oh man, my enter button's not working. Sorry. So go ahead and restart. Sorry, let me refresh this. There we go. Num2 equals int num2, and then we'll say solution, or we'll say ans equals string num1 plus num2. So that will return the value of num1 plus num2 as a string, and then we'll just return ans. And it works there. It works there as well. You could do this as well. You could just return string num1 plus num2. Just save a little bit of memory, and then you can get the same answer. So there you go. That is, that's what it's called, add string in LeetCode. Thank you guys for joining. I know this is an easier question, but I'm super exhausted where my wife and I are moving right now. So better or more complicated questions will be in the near future. So, but I do appreciate all the support, comments, likes, subscribes, anything you guys can give me. It means a lot and it goes a long way. So with that one, have a good one and see you next time.